Now we're going to set up our fabric ready for stitching. So the first thing you need to do is find the center of your fabric. Now how I do this is to fold my fabric in half and then half again. You can then make a crease in the corner, or you can grab your needle and stick it through that corner piece so that it will show you where the center is when you unfold it. Once you've found your center, you can just stitch in the hand. I prefer though to stitch with one of these square Nurge frames. I just find it holds the fabric nice and tight, and it makes it easier to keep even tension while stitching. There is another option. You can stitch with a wood embroidery hoop, which a lot of people also do. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the Nurge square frame because it is what I normally use. So first you need to unscrew your frame, pop the two pieces apart, pop the smaller piece underneath your fabric and roughly line it up with the center of your fabric. Then put the larger one over the top and snap it together. Once you have it together, you can pull your fabric through to tighten it up and tighten the screw. I like to reposition my needle now so that it doesn't wreck my fabric by just taking it out and popping it back through. And now you have your fabric all ready to start stitching.